How to fix settings keep stopping. So if you want to fix the problem of settings that keeps stopping, and if you're not being able to open up your settings, then the first thing you need to do is, it might be because of your app's device space. So what you need to do is, first you need to go for your files, and under your files you need to go for the large files, and you need to go for the internal storage, which is on the bottom left, and then choose the folder or the file that is not related. You need to simply uninstall any applications, or you can simply remove any files that you don't want, and you need to free some space. So go for the downloads, and you can simply delete any of your videos or images that you would like to delete, and then go for the videos and go for the applications or apps, and then you can choose the large apps. And under large apps, if you're not using any one of your applications, then you can simply go and delete the application. So for example, if I want to delete this WeChat, tap on the three dots and then tap on uninstall and uninstall the application. Once you've uninstalled, now you will get some space. After that, your problem will be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then what you need to do is, you need to go back, and then you can open up your Play Store. Under your Play Store, you need to go for the search, which is on the upper side, and then you need to search for digital well-being. And then under your digital well-being, you need to simply update the application. So if you have not updated, then you need to simply tap on update and update your application. Once you've updated, your problem might be fixed. But even after updating, if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to remove that, and then you need to restart your device. So go for the power button, simply tap and hold on to that power button, and here you will have restart option. Tap on restart and restart your device, and your problem might be fixed. So that's it. That's how you can fix settings not opening on your Android device. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.